Your rivet nut installation tool should have came with some different size bolts and washers. Find the bolt which threads onto the rivet nuts provided. The longer side of the bolt threads onto the rivet nut. The shorter side of the bolt threads onto the installation tool. After threading the bolt onto the installation tool, take the hexagonal sleeve and slide it over the bolt. Ensure that it goes firmly to the bottom. Find the washer that is the same diameter as the bolt you are using and attach it to the quick connect. Pull down on the sleeve on the quick connect, place the washer on top, and then slide the sleeve back. Ensure that the washer is firmly installed. Next, screw your quick connect onto the installation tool. Next, take your rev nut and thread it onto the bolt. You will need to pull apart the levers on the installation tool in order to thread the rivet nut all the way onto the tool. This hole has been previously drilled. For your 1032 rev nut for your FTDisplay, you will need a 1/4 inch hole. Insert the rivet nut into the hole. Ensure that the base of the hole is firmly against the tool, and then squeeze the two levers together. You can use the knob at the bottom of the tool to unthread the tool from the display.